good morning children. Welcome to the online session of subject English of 6th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So in the previous class we have completed all the explanation parts of the unit 1. Okay, A reading, B reading and C reading. So from today onwards we shall go on with the grammatical part, that means in-text grammar part of the unit 1. Okay, whatever the grammar part, vocabulary part, like that everything will be there. So speaking skills, study skills, listening skills will be there. So we shall complete these in-text grammar and exercises part of our unit 1. So the first topic we are starting today is cause and effect. Cause and effect consequence topic. So what is that one means? Cause and effect. Cause and effect or consequence cause and effect or consequence. So what is cause and what is effect or consequence? Cause is one word, effect or consequence is another word. Okay, so these are the two words which are roaming in our world at every time, in everyone's minds. Okay, so what is cause and what is effect or consequence we shall see in the today's class. So what is cause? So first of all, suppose for example now the present situation is the COVID-19. So coronavirus has been attacked to the total world. Is it right? So for that purpose only, every person is staying in the physical distance, staying as a social distance, maintaining the social distance. Is it right? So for what purpose every person is maintaining social distance? Because COVID-19 has been attacked in the whole world, in all over the world, not only in one country. So it has been started in China. It has been started in China, Wuhan. Okay, but it has been spread all over the world. Isn't it? So why it was spread? Because it the whatever the experiment they are doing, that has been failed. Isn't it? So that's why the virus has been came in our world. Okay, and it spread all over the world, not only in one country, in all the countries it has been started. So that means here first of all COVID-19 has been started spreading. So due to this reason, every person is maintaining social distance. Every person is maintaining social distance. That means here due to COVID-19, due to coronavirus, so this is one of the reason, one of the cause. Okay, one of the cause. So for this cause, what is the effect? So what is the effect in the world? So every person is maintaining social distance. So that means here this is the effect. Effect is also known as consequence. In the name itself it is there. So sequence. What is the sequence? Sequence means the next thing. Okay, what is the next number? Sequence number. So you people might be saying write in the sequence means write in a order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So 1 after compulsory 2 will be coming. So like that. Sequence means so the next number. So consequence means the next happening thing. Okay, next happening situation. So that is called a consequence or effect. Okay, effect or consequence is both one and the same. Okay, that means the synonym, the same meaning of this effect is consequence. For the effect, what is the synonym? What is the same meaning word? Consequence is the same meaning word. So this is the cause. So cause is due to COVID-19. So COVID-19 has been spread in the world. Okay. So due to this cause, what is happening in the world? So every person is maintaining social distance. Okay. So without the cause, there won't be any consequence. Without cause, there won't be any consequence. I hope so you are understanding. Okay. So like this there will be. So how you have to write this cause and consequence sentences? Okay. So we shall take the same example only and we shall write down. Okay. So see here. So the sentence. So first of all we are writing cause. First of all we have to write cause. So what is the cause? So COVID-19 has been spreading in all over the world. Is it right, children? So this is a cause. So COVID-19 has been spreading in all over the world. Okay, this is a cause. So for this cause, what is the consequence? So after this you should write. So every person in the world is maintaining social distance. Is it right, children? So COVID-19 has been spreading in all over the world. Is it right? So this is a cause. So the first sentence is a cause. So COVID-19 has been spreading all over the world. Okay, this is cause. So due to this cause, what is happening? So every person in the world is maintaining social distance. So no person is going to outside without any reason. So previously every person has been went without any reason. Okay, some people went with a reason, with emergency reason. Some people went for regular reasons, but some people went for without any reason, just for time pass they went. But now every person in the world is maintaining social distance. So if any person is having any emergency works only, then only the one is going to the outside. So that means here every person in the world is maintaining social distance. That means here this is one of the consequence. So due to this reason, every person is maintaining social distance and wearing the face mask. Is it right? So that is the reason. So like this you have to write. So there for every cause and effect there will be one cause and one effect. So without any cause there won't be effect or consequence. So when if the consequences came in, for that purpose, for that there will be one cause it seems. Okay, like that you have to identify. So due to this cause, consequences happening. Okay, like this there will be. So now coming. So I think so you have understood this concept very easily. So now we shall go on with some of the sentences which are given in this bit. Okay, now we shall do that one. Okay, so I think so you have understood very clear. Okay, so next, so this bit is about read the following paragraph and analyze it in terms of cause and effect, or consequence. Okay, one has been done for you. So in the paragraph, the paragraph was given from the first A reading lesson. So what is the A reading lesson? The A reading lesson is about the animals and the jackal. So that is a peace and harmony. So from that lesson he has took some points and he has written here. So I will read the points. I will read the one sentences along. You check it. Okay, which will come as a cause and which will come as a effect or consequence. Okay, that one. Whatever I have read, that will be writing here. Okay, so. So one has been done for you. So what is that one? See, all the animals in the forest were friendly. All the animals in the forest were friendly. So every animal is friendly, it seems. So in the lesson you have been seeing. So at the starting of the lesson, every animal is friendly with one another. Okay, without any fences or without any distractions in their minds and in their field areas. So in their houses. So like that, every animal is friendly with one another. Okay. Here elephant is enjoying the fish swimming, and pythons are what the pythons are doing. They are enjoying with the birds and rats, everything, rabbits. Okay, like that, every animal is helping to each other friendly and happily, and staying very healthily and very happily. So due to that cause, so that is a cause. So all the animals in the forest were friendly. So for this, what is the consequence given? The jackal couldn't eat any animal. So the jackal couldn't eat any animal. So due to this cause, what is the consequence? The jackal could not eat any animal. So suppose if 5 members are there, if 5 members are united with each other, understanding each and everyone's problem, and if they have united, means no one will face them, and no one will challenge them. Okay, suppose if the 5 members are separated due to the some of the clashes among themselves, then any person can able to challenge them and face them. Is it right? So like that, I think so you have heard one of the story, like four lions and one of the buffalo. Okay, so like that type of stories there will be. So here due to as all the animals are friendly in nature, so the jackal could not eat any animal. Suppose if the jackal is going to attack the tiger, what will happen? So another animal will come and it will try to stop the jackal. Is it right? In any way? Okay. So like that the jackal could not eat any animal. Okay, that is the cause. So here what is the cause? So all the animals are friendly, are living friendly and happily. So due to this one, what is the consequence? So the jackal could not eat any animal. Okay. If all the animals are living separately, then it will eat. But here all are combined. Okay. All are living together. So the jackal could not eat any animal. So in the cause you should write all the animals are living happily in the forest. So what is the consequence? So the jackal could not eat any animal. So this is the consequence. So like that we shall see in the paragraph. So the animals in the forest were friendly. So the jackal could not eat any animal. The first one is completed. Next, the jackal then thought of a plan and implemented it. The animals started suspecting each other as the jackal's plan worked. So here see the second one. So the jackal then thought of a plan and implemented it. So what is the cause here? So here jackal got a plan. Jackal got a plan and it started to implement that one very immediately. It started implementing. Okay, implementing means to keep into work. Okay, start implementing your work means to start now as now itself. Okay, jackal thought of a plan and it started to implement. So this is the cause. So due to this cause, what happened? The animals started suspecting each other as the jackal's plan worked. As the jackal's plan worked. So this is the cause. So what is the consequence happened? So all the animals began to suspect with each other. Suspect means getting doubts, and getting misunderstanding on one another. Okay, previously they have been lived friendly and happily without any clashes. But now, after implementation of a jackal's plan, what happened? So due to this cause, what is the consequence? What is the consequence? So all the animals began to suspect, began to doubt with each other. Okay, like that. So what is the consequence? Animals began to suspect each other. Okay, so due to this work, due to this cause, so this is the consequence. Animals began to suspect each other. Okay, so this is the consequence and this is the cause. And this is the consequence. Okay, I think so. Yeah, understood. So consequence means effect only. Effect, consequence, result. Three are same only. Effect, consequence, result. Okay, so like this there will be. So next one more we shall read. So the animals started suspecting each other as the jackal's plan worked. The life in the forest became dull because there were no musical evenings. Due to why there are no musical evenings? Because the life in the forest become dull. Okay, so like that. Next, all the animals requested the sadhu for help. So he talked to the animals and the birds and solved their problem. Okay, so this is the second. This is one more thing. So all the animals requested the sadhu for help. So what is the cause? All the animals requested sadhu. For what? For help. So all the animals requested sadhu. This is the cause. So due to this cause, what happened? So he talked to the animals and birds and solved their problem. So due to this cause, as the animals and birds requested sadhu, so for that only, what is the consequence? So sadhus, whatever the moon's heart has been become very much kind, and he appeared as a sadhu and he helped. He talked to the animals and birds and solved their problem. So due to this reason, what is the consequence? So what is the cause? All the animals requested sadhu for help. Okay, this is the cause. So what is the consequence? So consequence is sadhu. So he talked to the animals and birds and solved their problem. Okay, that is a consequence. That is the next happening thing. Okay. So next, however, the sadhu did not want to kill the jackal, but preferred to teach a lesson to it. Okay. So this won't come as a cause or consequence. Okay. So the last sentence won't come as cause or consequence. So like this there will be. So whatever the cause, without any cause, there won't be effect or consequence or result. Okay. So like that. So for example, one more thing, if I want to say generally means, suppose you students might be preparing very much hard for the exams, is it right? So due to that only you got first rank in your class. You got first rank. So after getting first rank, what everyone will say, as he prepared very well and he struggled, he worked hard for the exams, he got first rank in the exams, like that they will say. So as he worked hard for the exams, so that will become as a cause. So whatever your preparation, your working behavior, everything will come under cause. Okay, so what is the consequence? Your final result in the exams. So in the exams, if you got first rank means that will become as a consequence. That means after cause only consequence will be happening. Okay, like that. This is a concept of a cause and effect or consequence or result. Okay, so this is about the one of the topic of grammar and in-text exercises. I hope so you have understood this concept very easily. Okay, so next we shall go with the one of the lesson called listening and speaking skills. So in the listening and speaking skills, there is one of the story. So you listen to the story very carefully. Okay. So the story is the friendly mongoose. The friendly mongoose. Okay, you know what is mongoose. So do you know what I think so you know what is mongoose. So mongoose is one of the small animal which is having a long tail with a thick bushes. Okay, long tail with a thick bushes. So this mongoose is one of the animal which is not liked by the snake. That means like how the cat and rat are the enemies in our nature. So like this, mongoose and the snake are the enemies. Both are the enemies in our nature. So along with that, snake and peacock also both are the dangerous enemies in our nature. Okay, like that. Here the friendly mongoose we shall see. So this is one of the lesson from the listening and speaking skills. Okay, listen to this lesson very carefully, children, so that you can understand the below next question answers. Okay, so now we are going to the lesson of this friendly mongoose. So one day in a village there was one of the farmer with his wife and with his small son. Okay, so this farmer used to grow some crops. Okay, in the agriculture fields. So they used to have one of the small son. Okay, one day this farmer, he thinks that he will say to his wife. So what he will say? So our son wants one of the companion to play with him and to stay with him and to enjoy with him. Like that this farmer will say to his wife, and for that his wife also will accept to his decision. So okay, our son is very small, so how come we will get one of the companion means one of the partner. Okay, to stay with him. Okay, very happily and very healthily. So for that one day the farmer at one of the evening, he will bring one of the small baby mongoose. So this mongoose he will bring. Okay, that is very small. Okay, which is just born at that moment only. So he will bring that mongoose to his house for the companion of his son. Okay, by looking that one, his wife will say, So why this mongoose is a very small? How come our son will enjoy with this mongoose? Okay, both are very small. How come they will enjoy? Okay, like that she will say. So for that, what this farmer will say? Okay, no need, no problem. This mongoose will grow very much faster. So within few months, this mongoose will grow up very fast. So along with that, our son will also grow grow as this mongoose also grown. Okay, so both will grow very equal time, in a equal time. Then like that he will say. So after completing, so after 4 or 5 months, so after 5 months, this mongoose, it will grow up to its last stage, So very finally it will become very much adult mongoose. Okay, so up to now it is a baby mongoose. So after 5 months, this mongoose will become as a adult mongoose. But this boy, this son, his son was still in the cradle itself. I think so. You know cradle. Cradle means in the whoever the small babies will put on in the cradle. So for moving, for swimming. Okay, that is called this is called a cradle. Okay, so cradle will be like this. So okay, like this, some like this it will be. So cradle means, so in the cradle only he will be. Okay, so but after 5 months, this mongoose will become as an adult mongoose. So with a black sharp eyes and having a long tail with a thick bushes. Bushes means like how the thick bushes will be with a group of with a bunch of its hair on its body. Okay, like that it will be. So but his small son is still in the cradle and in a crying stage. Okay, alternate crying stage he was there. Okay, so like that after 5 months it was there. So one day this farmer's wife, she decided to go to market to buy some groceries and vegetables, but she don't want to leave his son alone with the mongoose, because if the mongoose will do anything danger to the small son, means she will be the responsible for that. Okay, that's why she don't want to leave him alone. So that's why while when he was crying, so she will feed with the milk, and afterwards as he went into the deep sleep, after giving milk and after went into the deep sleep, now at that time she will decide to go to the market. So after going to market, while she was going to market, she will say to her husband, okay, what she will say? So please take care about my son, about our son, without any danger. For that, what this farmer will say? So don't get any doubt and don't be in any expectations, because mongoose already friendly mongoose is there. So this is a very good companion and a very safe companion to our small son. So don't worry, you happily you go to market and come, like that this farmer will say to his husband. Okay, sorry, to his husband. Okay, after going, so after she went to the market, this farmer, So the farmer will be there. So this farmer also they won't get any work in the house. Won't get any work in the house. He will get somewhat bored. He will get somewhat bored in the house. So due to that one, so he decides to go to the his fields and to look up at his agricultural fields. So what is happening is there, he wants to go and he wants to look stay there for some time. Okay, he will decide that very soon I will come, like that he will decide and he will go. Okay, so already here mongoose is there, friendly mongoose is there. So with the confidence of this mongoose only, here this farmer will leave his son and he will leave from his house and he will go to the fields. So after some time, the farmer's wife, she will complete her market, her shopping, and she will be returning with some of the groceries. So after returning to the house, there in the front of the door, she will be looking this mongoose. So how she will be looking? So suddenly this mongoose will be his mongoose face. How it will be means totally with the blood. It will be spreading with the blood. Okay, on at the mouth and on the face. Totally there will be blood. Okay, so by looking that one, this wife, farmer's wife will get doubt and she will become very much she will be going into very much shock. So what happened? You cheat mongoose, you have killed my son, and without knowing any true evidence, true facts in the house. So this mother will beat this mongoose and she will kill the mongoose. So why you cheat? You wants to save my child, but you only killed my child, like that, with a rage. Rage means very anger. As going into the anger, she will kill the mongoose. She will beat the mongoose, and now she will be going into the where the son was sleeping in the cradle. Okay, but as a surprise, there her son is sleeping very happily. Okay, so by that whatever the vision she was having, so with that she will be getting into one of the she will be scolding in herself. So without knowing any true fact, I have killed the mongoose, and after looking at her boy on the floor, she will be looking one of the black snake with cuttings and with bleeding. Okay, so by seeing that scene, she got an idea. So what is happened in the house. So by that she thought that, I think so, so here what happened there. So I think so, snake, the black snake has arrived to their house, so that this mongoose has killed the black snake, and she was sitting in front of the door. This mongoose was sitting in front of the door. So like that was the situation. But without knowing this true situation, the wife has killed the mongoose, and after approaching to the mongoose, she said, so you have saved my child and you have killed the black snake. So without knowing this true facts, I have killed you. So like that, in herself only, she was getting very much sad. She went into sad and she sat there without any movement. Okay, like that she sat for longer time. So after some time, she heard her son's cryingness, her son's crying sounds. So by that only she went to the her son and she wiped his eyes and with the which are coming as a water, and she fed him again very silently. Okay, so this is about the story of the friendly mongoose. Also here the what is a mongoose character here? So its character was a very friendly and very kind hearted. So they at the time um, when her mother was killing this mongoose, she was kept in a silence. She not at all escaped from there. Okay, so like that, if the mongoose was escaped means again the doubt will be become very much double, because so it killed my son and it ran away, it escaped away, like that everyone will think. So that's why this mongoose was a very kind hearted animal and a very friendly animal. So with this this story has been completed. I think so you have understood this story very easily. So now I will give 2 or 3 questions from this lesson, from this story. So you try to answer them. Okay, very easy only. So with the try to attempt these questions. Okay, first one. What is the first one? Which character do you like? Do you like the most in the story, and why? Okay, first one. Next, second one. Is the woman right in killing the mongoose? Next, in that only, what would you have done? What would you have done? Okay, so these are the 2 questions I am giving. So which character do you like the most in the story and why? So the character I like the most in the story is so and so. I write the reason, because like that you write down. Okay, next, second one. Is the woman right in killing the mongoose? So is she right in killing the mongoose? So you mention, if yes, you mention yes, woman is right in killing the mongoose. Next, if no, the woman is not right in killing the mongoose. So like that. So what would you have done? Suppose you are in the place of this woman, what you will do, that one you write down as these 2 questions. Okay, so along with these 2 questions, write down some opposite words for this words. Okay, second bit, opposite words. Okay, for the words small, happy, long, sweet, tall. Okay, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 opposite words. So for these words you write down the opposite words. Okay, so small, happy, long, sweet, tall. Okay, these are the homework for today's class. Okay, so try to answer this question, this answer. So for this you have to write without repetition of listening. So without listening again you try to write. So for one time only you listen to the class and write down these answers. Okay, so which character do you like the most in the story and why? Is a woman right in killing a mongoose? What would you have done? Next bit is opposite words. So opposites of small, happy, long, sweet, tall. So this is for this words you write down opposite words. So this is today's homework for you children as a English in the English. So I hope so you have understood very easily. So thank you for listening my class children. Have a good day children. Thank you.